The biggest mistake first-time racers make happens in the first 15 minutes, when adrenaline makes going way too hard feel absolutely effortless. A calm race day starts the night before. Lay out your kit, pin your bib, and charge your head unit. On race morning, wake up 3 hours early and eat your practiced breakfast 2.5 hours before the start. Nothing new on race day. Arrive 90 minutes early to your event. You'll need this buffer to park, grab your timing chip, check your tire pressure, and wait in the inevitable portable toilet line. After a brief 15-minute warm-up, find your starting group. Unless you're fighting for a podium spot, avoid the very front. Seat yourself safely in the middle or back. When the gun goes off, the pack will surge. Adrenaline makes high power feel deceivingly easy, leading to a massive spike in heart rate. Consciously hold back, ride your own pace, and let your breathing settle. Once you settle into a group, predictability is safety. Hold a steady line, point out road hazards to riders behind you, and never grab your brakes suddenly. If passing, clearly announce on your left. During the race, fueling must be automatic. Drink hydration mix every 15 minutes, and eat carbs every 30 to 45 minutes. If you wait until you feel hungry, you've already ruined your final hour. If the group surges and you get dropped, do not panic. It happens to everyone. Stop burning matches. Just sit up and settle into your own sustainable endurance pace. You'll quickly find other dropped riders to work with. Focus on your own effort. Enjoy the gravel roads and soak in the atmosphere of iconic events like Unbound Gravel. As you approach the finish line at events like SBT GRVL, you can sprint if you want, but don't forget to sit up, coast, and smile for the event photographer. Grab recovery food within 30 minutes of finishing. For your very first race, the only true goals are to finish safely and have fun. Everything else is a bonus. Ride safe, have fun, and enjoy the finish line.